Okay, I'm recording her. This is Kiwi. This is our little active, feisty, very petite. Actually, not as petite as Mojito though. Okay, but she has got these gorgeous, just pretty. I don't know. They're red ears, apricot, and maybe going really red. I see a lot happening here with that, but very personality plus. This little girl wants to be in the thick. She actually put her head through the bars of this fence right here about 3 or 4 days ago, and we all had just a fit. We were just trying to help her, but she gets herself in situations. And last night she got up under something, and we've learned to just put things out of her way. Very active, playful, but calm as a cucumber. I am just an angel. And she's just beautiful. That face, she's precious. When I mean active and feisty, I mean for a doodle. That's not for a puppy. When you see her and you come visit and you look at her, you'll be amazed at how calm. This is calm. But go ahead and put her on the ground. I'll just have her interact. She's just tail wagging, strutting around, wants to be with people. Would do great with other dogs in the house. Probably would will and die. Kiwi wouldn't do so well with by herself. We're not a dog that needs to be left alone all day. Okay, and that's it. That's Kiwi.